Hi, so in this short video I'm going to show exactly how I'm making $2,000 per sale. That's right, per sale, $2,000 affiliate commissions using this marketing system. So let's go straight into it, right? Please stick until the end of this video because I'm going to show exactly how I'm making this work, how I become the top affiliate, number one affiliate of this company promoting high ticket affiliate system. As you can see over here, right, I'm logged in into my dashboard. You can see we have marketing pro system, we have lead system, right, to generate new leads. We have affiliate links, traffic store, referrals, and autoresponder, right, email autoresponder. So for example, if there is the stay-at-home mom from Sydney looking to make money online, she opted into our autoresponder, and automatically I get her into my emails, and the system will automatically, right, is done for you system. They will automatically send the email follow-up sequence to the person from Australia, right? In this case, for example, right, I'm just giving you the simple example. So how it works, let me give you the live example, right? When someone join me, right, I will show you how I do it, right? Let me show you over here straight on my screen, right? As you can see over here, right, some people bought the package, of course, right? So as you can see, this person is free. So let's say they just joined for free to my email list. What do I do next? I just click on email. Okay, click on email. Okay, they ask me email. Their email over here, right, is hidden. Subject line and message. Let me show you what I write to them. Let me show you. See over here? Best regards, Tim. Look, the email. And I'm giving you for free. If you work with me one-on-one together, right, you do need to have someone, right? Because let's be honest, right? If you're a beginner and if you really want to make $2,000 or $10,000 per month as an affiliate, you need to have someone who already achieved the results you want to achieve, right? Who already have the results you want to have. So let me show you over here, right? I write a message to them, right? I wanted to check in with you regarding Vertex Live, right? This is the package for 2,500 US dollars. Our latest package that helps you manage your finances with ease, right? We noticed that you opted in to receive more information about the package but haven't yet made a purchase. We understand that life can get busy, right? So you can see copywriting at a point, marketing at a point. So let's go to follow-up sequence. Now let me ask you, imagine this. Imagine you wake up in the morning, right? Let's say you have an email list of 500 to 10,000 people, and in the morning you send this message to people who opt in to this affiliate business opportunity, right? You can see it's copy and paste. I personally give you as a free bonus when you work with me personally my own follow-up sequence, my high ticket or big ticket email sequences, which I personally use to close up to $10,000 in sales, right? One sale, $10,000, right? So I'm giving you for free when you work with me personally one-on-one. As you can see, right? Subject line, right? For example, right? Let's say this guy or this woman, whatever, guy or female, opted in on my opt-in page and did not join. For whatever reason, they spent zero money, right, on this program. So what do I do next, right? I send them the follow-up sequence, which is like this. For example, are you still interested to make, for example, $2,000 per sale, right? Are you still interested to make $2,000 per sale? What I'm doing here, I'm basically asking them if they are still open to get what they wish or what they dream to desire, right? I'm going into the primal desire of human psychology, right? So are you still interested to make $2,000 per sale. Question mark, question, right? That's the email subject line. And then I have the message, right? And then what I do next? Submit. I send it out,